Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Kontakt 8 and add library into the Kontakt. So once you download, you're going to get these files, the add library, setup and license. So let's start with the setup. Alright, so once the installation is done, now we need to run the license. There we go. Hit on next, install, finish. So our Kontakt 8 is now installed. The next step, I'm going to show you how you can add library into Kontakt 8. So for that, I'm going to download our library. Alright guys, so I just downloaded a library. I need to extract this library first. So just hit on extract. Alright, so once it's done, we just got the folder right here. We can delete the zip file. So we got the library here. It's right here. So now how do we add it into Kontakt 8? For that, go to the Kontakt 8 download folder and run the add library. Alright, so right here, you need to choose the library folder. Just like this. Hit on OK. Alright, there we go. Here's the library. And this is full version, ready to go and works so well and fine. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Peace.